Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have one of my biggest rivals when I was in high school. But anyway, this is a 1989 Trans Am Turbo anniversary car, official pace car for Pontiac Trans Ams. This particular car sports a V6 turbo 3.8 liter motor, original to the car. There was only 1,555 of these ever built. And out of those 1,555, 5 of them were test cars, okay? So this is an original low mileage car, which I'm gonna share with you. It's a one owner vehicle, okay? This car came from down south as a one owner, clean carfax, no accidents reported, low mileage car. If you guys and gals didn't know, it's obviously the same motor as the 3.8 Grand National. But from the Grand National motor to this motor, this one produces 31 more horsepower. I don't know if you guys knew that. The reason I say that is because this thing used to whip my rear end back in the day when I was racing a Grand National versus this. This car weighs a little bit more, but the suspension, which is a WS6 four-wheel disc brake, the 16x8 wheels, handles a lot better than a Grand National. A lot less production than Buick Grand Nationals. These are gonna be current and future investments. It does have, and they all have, an automatic transmission. This particular model has leather interior and T-tops. So we're gonna move in a little bit closer. It appears that the paint on the car is really, really nice. And we're gonna open up the door jambs and go through it a little bit more. If there are any blemishes, big scratches, dings, or dents, I'm gonna share them with you. Usually these cars get scuffed up right down over here and in the front spoiler. Not this one. Well maintained turbo Trans Am. Just a beautiful fit and finish. Their wheels are in excellent condition. This was very popular, the louvers from back in the day. And this appears to be like a plastic louver. But that was popular back in the day. You could remove it if you want, but that's up to you. All right, moving forward, the body is original to the car. Paint has a great shine to it. You won't be disappointed. It is original. Dual exhaust, as you can see, the tips in the back. Let's check out the passenger side. Beautiful, again, reflection. No dings, no dents, guys. Nowhere that I can see. T-tops, we've got the bags in the trunk. And again, passenger side on the Turbo TA is all good. Check out the front. This is where it gets all scuffed up. Look at, not this one. Underneath is super solid. Let's check out the interior. Beautiful door panels. As you can see, the power locks. All original. No rust. So the paint seems to be all original on the car. And usually these get torn up here, but they're not. This one isn't. Car showing 36,907 original miles. Your power windows, your power mirrors, and all your controllers. Excellent dash, T-tops above, excellent back seats. Beautiful, beautiful. Do one more walk around. Look how clean this is. got tinted windows. Beautiful collectible car. If you're looking for a one-owner turbo Trans Am, imagine how many are out there. Okay, now listen. They only produced 1,555. 5 of them were test cars. Now, if I break it down a little bit closer, it's got leather interior and T-tops. That tells me that the production number is a lot lower because of those highly optioned items on this particular model or in this particular car. So how many you think one-owner cars are out there that are for sale with under 40,000 miles? Not many. Let's check out under the hood. Sounds good. Engine compartment looks really good too. Look how clean this thing is, man. Wow. Woo. Yeah. Very cool. Well, there you have it, folks. Now, if you're looking for financing, take advantage. The rates are great. If your credit score is between 625 and 739, you will need 10% down. You can fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. Rates are great, no prepayment penalty, and rates are between 5 and 6%. For those of you who have a 740 or higher credit score, rates are between 2.5% to 5% with no money down option. And with that credit score, 740 or higher, go directly to my lender, lightstream.com. They'll approve you guys in 15 minutes. No prepayment penalty, no money down option, unsecured loan. You'll get your money in the next business day, but approval in 15 minutes. For those of you who don't need financing, call me or text me, and I'll send you a quote for delivery. For those of you who don't need financing and are ready to buy the car, you can call me and text me as well, and I'll send you a shipping quote. If you guys want to fly into Chicago O'Hare Airport, I'm 15 to 20 minutes away. If you want to see the car in person, we welcome you. We are open Monday through Friday. Showings are between 10 and 4 p.m. and Saturday between 10 and 2 p.m. Or you can take advantage of our driveway delivery. We take our time. We do long videos, 100+ photos to show you guys everything about the car. These cars sell on their own. All I'm here to do is explain the vehicle to you. So don't call me and ask me, is the paint original? Okay? You should know that by now. Not being rude, I'm just being true with all the facts. This is what I do every day. We're busy here at MGM. Tomorrow I got something cool coming. You gotta definitely tune in. How do you tune in? Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. How do you do that? Click the red button on the bottom right of your screen, says subscribe, and then you'll get notifications. If you're watching this on Facebook, like it, share it, guys, gals. These are tangible, good assets Please, I'm telling you right now, invest your money in something that's tangible you can have fun with the family or by yourself or with your friends. There's nothing better than a tangible asset that increases in value. Look at the prices on these Turbo TAs in the last 5 years. You're going to be astounded. Better than money in the bank. So, my name is Thomas. I'm at mgmclassiccars.com, where we have over 100 hand-picked cars across the country here under one roof in Addison, Illinois. My number, if you're ready, get a pen, for that shipping quote is 847-848-1850. Again, my cell number is 847-848-1850. Shoot me a text with your zip code. I'll get you a quote. Please be clear if you want open carrier or enclosed carrier, and I'll get you a quote for that, okay? What else did I miss? Let's see here. I think, you know what? I didn't miss anything else, I don't think. There's a bunch of original parts in this box here. Original radio and a couple other things that are original to the car, just to go with the vehicle. So again, my name's Thomas. Text is quicker than call, okay? But if you don't text, then call me and leave a message if I don't answer. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com, and my number, for one last time, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.